Hi children, now I'll give you about 5 sets of numbers. What you're going to do is pick out and circle the biggest number. Look at all the numbers, read on in thousands, hundred, tens, one. Look at each number carefully, circle the biggest number, okay? Circle. The biggest number. Circle the biggest number. So in each row, about 4 or 5 numbers I'll give you. And what are you going to do? Circle the biggest among that, okay? Circle the biggest number. Good. $4,193, 1,946, 7,089, 2,499, 3,814. So you have 5 sets of numbers and identify the biggest and circle. That's what we are going to do. Okay? $1,984, 9,003, 5,982, 4,873, 9,890. So 5 sets of numbers, okay? 4,081, 3,498, 8,467, 2,980, 3,016. 8,479, 5,414, 3,119, 2,487, 5,447. 3,041, 5,301, 7,987, 6,042, 5,076. Okay, we have 5 sets of numbers and you are going to look carefully and circle the biggest number. 5 numbers are given. You have to look at all the 5 numbers. You got 4,193, 1,946, 7,089, 2,499, 3,814. So you have 5 sets of numbers. Look carefully to choose the biggest. First one is 4,000. Next you have your 1,000. You have 7,000 here. 2,000, 3,000. So which is the biggest? In thousands, it is 7,000. So you have 7,000, after that it's only 4,000. So the biggest number of the 5 what I given you. Which is the biggest number? 7,089. So we circle the biggest number in this row, not 4,000 or 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000. It is 7,089. Very good. Now let's take the next lot of numbers. We have 1,984, 9,003, 5,982, 4,873, 9,890. Let's look at all the thousands. 1,000, 9,003, 5,000, 4,000, again 9,000. Here, 9,800. So there's no hundreds here. So which is the biggest number? 9,890. This is the biggest of the 5 numbers. Good. Let's look at the next lot. You have 4,081, 3,498, 8,467, 2,980, 3,016. Let's look at the thousands, children. 4,000, 3,000, 8,000, 2,000, 3,000. So surely 8,467 is the biggest among the 5 numbers given to you. So we circle the biggest number. Now let's look at the next lot of numbers we have here. 8,479, 5,414, 3,119, 2,487, 5,447. What do we look at? Look at all the thousands. 8,000, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, 5,000. So surely the first number, 8,479, is the biggest of the 5 numbers given to you. Finally, you have the last 5 numbers. 3,041, 5,301, 7,987, 6,042, 5,076. What are we looking at? The thousands. Now 3,000, 5,000, 7,000, 6,000, again 5,000. So which is the biggest of the 5 numbers? 7,987. Today we learned from the 5 sets of numbers given. We learned to identify and circle the biggest number in each row. The biggest number in each row. So circle the biggest number. In the first category you have the 7,089, the biggest. In the second lot you have 9,890 is the biggest. And C, you have 8,467. The next you have 8,479. Finally you have 7,987. We learn to identify and circle the biggest number from the 5 sets of numbers.